All right, so just a quick reminder, a continuous function, we can draw it without lifting our pencil. So if you think about tracing the graph, you will not be lifting your pencil when you trace the graph. So for example, here, if I were to trace this graph, I don't have to lift my highlighter or pencil ever. And so that would be a continuous function. Over here, if I trace the graph or try to draw the graph, again, to go to this cusp or corner, I don't have to lift my pencil, and so that would be a continuous function. Now, if you have to lift up your pencil, then that means that it's not continuous. Now, one of the trickier cases of this, if you look here, you have a hole in the graph, but remember that for that hole, you do have to lift up your pencil. So in this case, like if I were to trace this, again, I don't have to lift it up, I don't have to lift it up, but when I get to this hole, in order to jump over that hole, I'm going to have to lift my highlighter up and then continue on the other side of the hole. So that is not a continuous function at that hole because we're lifting our pencil to jump over that hole. And the same thing goes over here. Over here, we have this vertical asymptote. So if I trace the graph, again, here I can go and it's fine, it's continuous there. But then when I go over here in order to jump over to that vertical asymptote, this means that it's not continuous because I would have to lift up my pencil and then continue over here on the other side.